Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Meedu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, as we all know, in Meedu Study this is your own Dream IIM series. Yes my dear friends, Dream IIM series in which 75 days and 75 videos we are doing comprehensive coverage of CAT. Friends, our today video is on verbal ability or VA section, and as we already know, in VA there were supposed to be 18 videos, 8 plus 10. When we say 8 plus 10, so 8 were basic videos, 3 VA basics, 5 grammar basics. These are very important. Please go through these videos multiple number of times so that you can know all the rules, regulations, especially these 5 grammar videos. After that, we have already been practicing various types of questions that can come in CAT, like fill in the blank question, jumbled para, meaning, usage, message and all. So our 10 videos are dedicated for practice, our ongoing practice. Our today's video is the next video in series of practice, and today we are going to discuss questions on analogies and reverse analogies. First of all, let me introduce you to what is analogy and what kind of questions comes in CAT. So when we say analogy, so analogy means when we say na, this thing is related to this in certain type of way, that is known as analogy. So when in CAT analogy questions come, it is testing the students' ability to spot the different kinds and degrees of relationship between pair of words. So suppose this is first word, this is second word. So what relation exists between these two? So CAT is trying to check whether you can decode that relation between these two or not, and then see that what kind of solution exists or what kind of question is there and what kind of relations are there in the options. Same kind of relation we need to find out. The best type of or the type of questions which basically arises is it will give you two pairs of words. Okay, in first pair it will give you, suppose this is first word, salt is to salty. So basically it is telling that between salt and salty what kind of relation is there, that salt is one element and it tastes salty in taste. Then it will give you some options, and in that options one of the options is, suppose sugar is to sweet. So see, the relation that is there between salt and salty, same relation is there between sugar and sweet. So we need to identify this kind of relation, and then options we need to crack. Now there can be various type of relations which can exist, and to know those kind of relations, my dear friends, you need not go anywhere, because in our today's video we have compiled all types of relation that is possible. Just refer this video for the compiled list. 4 or 5 slides will be there. First kind of relation is cause and effect. Cause and effect relationships. So first, for example, relation is heat and evaporation. So see, understand, heating is a phenomena, cause, and because of heating what happens, something evaporates. What is evaporation? Converting from solid form to from solid or liquid form basically, and specifically your liquid form to your gaseous form. So that is because of heat. Heating causes evaporation of water. So first kind of relationship is cause and effect relationship. Second is purpose or usage. For example, cork and bottle. So what is the relation between cork and bottle? So cork is used to close the bottle. So this is basically purpose or usage kind of relationship. Third, part whole relationship means something will be part of a whole thing. We need to identify. Chapter is to book. So what is the relation between chapter and book? Chapter is a part of book. That is the relation between them. Fourth, part relationship means both are part. Toe is to foot. So toe is part of foot, which is in turn part of larger body part, leg. Okay. So there is your leg. Leg will have foot and foot will have toe. So relation between this leg and foot basically is part whole relationship, and relationship between foot and toe is known as part relationship. Our fourth type of relationships. Let us see our next kind of relationship that can exist, my dear friends. So our fifth kind of relationship is object to action. For example, arrow and shoot. So one shoots an arrow. The relationship between object and action. Action to object relationship. Drink to water. You drink water. So it is kind of reverse to this. One is some object is given and relationship is what kind of action can be done with that. Second is some kind of action is given, we need to identify what kind of object it is related to. Next, synonyms. So we have done a special video on synonyms and antonyms, so that also can form a part of your analogy. So like bumpkin and loud both refer to a rustic person and are synonyms. So in your options we will need to find another pair which are synonyms. Slim is to fat. We know slim and fat are antonyms, opposite to each other. So within the options we will need to find the set of words which are antonym to each other. These are next 4 sets of relationships which can exist. Let us move to the next one. Defining characteristics. So something which defines someone or something. Comedian is to witty. So being witty is something which define a comedian. Okay. So that is a kind of relationship which exists. A comedian has the characteristics of being witty. This is defining characteristics. Class and member. So shark is to fish. A shark falls under the class of fishes. Okay. So another can be like similar to this can be your crocodile to reptile. Crocodile belong to that family of reptile along with lizards and another beings. Manner or type, like tango is to dance. Tango is a type of dance. Another can be some kind of music can be given example and then music can be given. Significance of action. Blush to embarrassment. A blush denotes embarrassment. So kind of action relationship is there between them. This is the next set of kind of relationship. Let us move to the next slide for next types. Worker article creation relationship. So composer is to music. So someone is composing something. So composer creates a piece of music. Another example can be poet and poetry. Okay. Worker and workplace relationship. Doctor is to hospital. So doctor is to hospital, lawyer is to your court, school is to teacher is to school. So worker and workplace relationship. Spatial relationships. North pole to south pole. Okay. They are both extremes to one another. This is known as spatial relationships. Symbol quality relationship. Red is to danger. For example, red signifies that danger. This is known as symbol quality relationship. Degree. Warm is to hot. Hot is the higher degree than warm. So something will become warm, then it will become hot. So kind of degree relationship. So my dear friends, these were your major types of 17 types of relationship which can exist. Now what we will do is we will practice some of the questions and see how questions can come in CAT. So one type normally can be that option will be given of relationship and 4 options will be given. Another type which commonly seen is that these 2 words will be there, then is to sign will be there, another word, and then we need to identify that one word which will fit. We have given you more questions on that because that is the prominent type. Let us start. Chill is to freeze. So see, what is chill and what is freeze? So someone, when it is cold, first we will feel chilling, and then when it increases we will feel being frozen. So we can say that freezing or frozen is higher degree of chilling. Okay. So both are related to cold. It is not that one is heat, one is, both are cold. First one will feel chilling and then it will be like freezing. So we need to find another thing which are related in that particular manner. So slice is to cut. No, slice and cut are basically you cut and slice is formed. They are not like higher degree, lower degree. Simmer is to boil. Yes. सिमर इज लाइक हल्की आंच पे जिसको बोलते हैं ना, हल्की आंच पे उसको वो करना, एंड बॉयल उसको थोड़ा बढ़ा के कंप्लीट आंच पे करना. सो सिमर इज टू बॉयल. ऑप्शन नंबर बी है सिमिलर रिलेशनशिप. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Another to roast, to stew, cook, to fry are different relation. It does not have same relation. Let us move to the next. See, this is the main type of question which comes. So how to read it? It says that plant is to tree means the relationship between plant and tree, same relationship is between girl and what? Okay. So what is the difference between plant and tree? So when a small plant comes, after some time it grows into tree. So we can say that plant grows to tree. So girl will grow into what? See, sister, mother, woman, wife. Sister, mother and wife all are basically, we can say, relation which a woman will have with another man or another girl. But girl will grow into what? Girl will grow into woman. So our option C is the correct one. Be careful in this. You can say that a girl will become older to become a mother or sister. Yes, true. But just like for tree, generic thing is becoming a tree. For a plant, for a girl, it will be woman. Option number C is the correct one. Let us move to the next question. Earth is to axis, wheel is to what? So what is the relation between earth and axis? Earth rotates on its axis. That is the relationship. So now we need to see wheel rotates on what? Hub, scooter, tire and road. So clearly wheel will rotate on hub. Same relationship between hub and wheel which is there between earth and axis. Option number A is the correct one. Sonnet is to poem, murder is to what? Okay. So what is sonnet? So sonnet is basically a part of poem. So what is the relationship? Kind of relationship is part whole relationship. Sonnet will be a part of poem. So we need to see. Now murder. What is murder? Murder is a part of crime, na? Type or part of crime. So correct answer is B, crime. Murder, lie, murder, blood, murder, cheat. No, they are not related in the same way. Correct answer is option number B, crime. Let us move to the next question. King is to throne. Canyon is to gulf, rain is to what? So what is the relationship between canyon and gulf? So this gulf is a larger form of the first one. Larger form. Okay. So what is the larger form of rain? Water, no river, no stream is something else. So it starts rain and then there is storm also. So storm and rain have the same kind of relationship. Okay. Option A is the correct one. Let us move to the next. King is to throne, a judge is to what? Okay. So king is to throne. What is basically throne? Throne is the, we can say, sitting place or sitting thing of king. A king sits on throne. Similarly, a judge sits on what? A judge will not sit on lawyer, not on court, not on trial. A judge basically sits on particularly bench. So option number B is the correct one. Let us move to the next one. Wisdom is to folly, massive is to what? So see, wisdom and folly. We can see wisdom and folly are basically your antonyms. Okay. And massive is to what? Troubled, burdened, inflicted and influenced. So massive is something high. So no, out of these we cannot say clearly. So we can say that this is a kind of misinterpretation. Here massive is to, correct answer should have been tiny or something related to short. That will be the opposite word of massive. Let us move to the next. So yes, I think that's all. These are all type of questions which can come. Analogy, we have seen 17 types of relationship which can exist. Question will come out, one out of them only. Just look for that particular relationship, spot it and do it. Very easy to attempt question. In next, my dear friends, tomorrow we will see coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry we have done in 2 videos. Just like our other maths topics, many maths topics. First we will introduce to you in video 1, and in video 2 we will do some practice questions. Friends, in our today's video, if there is any sort of question or any sort of query, you can please write to us at meedu.study@gmail.com or let us know in the comment section. We will address it. If you are liking our video, please like it, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Good day.